Wagwan ENT.
First thing early, dance all night. Jara gonna pack some sound away.
Take me a joke tonight, Two Throat.
Hey! Got no cause to look back. But Jara looking for me a better day. Jara looking for a better day. You see the thing about sound. Jara, you turn them in a clown. Cause it's the only thing gonna bring them this pain. Jara. Comes a time when we could all kill some sound, boy. But let go, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Hey! I from me stand up on the Jara sound and I burn me got the pride. When Babylon come and tell me that's not right. Me say me burn it 10 past the time right. And then them come in and them look and ring. They said, hey, you follow the way you come from. You must have two sticker sensi under your thumb. I said, no, officer, Lord, you must be mad. He only smokes cigarettes and strictly shag.
Yo, Two Throat, draw near. It's an early push, man. Draw near. Man, I go greedy it out, man. Draw near.
Hey, ooh-wee. Can't kill the Jara, them can't kill me. Can't kill the Jara, them can't kill the. Oh yeah, can't kill the Jara, them can't kill the Jara. No, see.
People, tonight, me a father for giving a tune for the money tonight. Trust me, draw there. I go early.
Even if a song boy reaches back against the wall. I try to play Jara song, I need to jump and sound up if I even if I sound boy, when him hit against the wall. Oh, you're gonna have them all. You're gonna have them all. You're gonna have them all. You're gonna have
Jara coming at your ledger. Whoa, with strictly pleasure. Nice and mellow. Girls dancing on their toes. Ooh yeah, sound boy. We may not have a 45, but we got a dub plate for you, sound boy. And if you think it's a lie, just look in our eye and you'll see it red like blood. Jara not.
sound boy very young. Ooh.
Yeah, man, a Killamanjaro Sound. What me can tell you, you know? You know what?
Jara too bad, Jara too rude. Any other sound test I'm about to confuse. Jara too bad, Jara too rude. Any other sound test I'm bound to lose. For once you say you are the champion, but tonight we gonna prove you wrong. Hey,
And big up Freddy, big up Trooper. But a problem, Sean, me name, you know what?
It's a heavy load, but we have to carry it. Carry it, have it, some boy I come going on up here, they don't play.
Me not play no song yet, man, early.
It's a heavy load, but we have to carry it, have it, I see, sound boy, you come. Trooping out up here. Run for you, put on your covenant to help you carry the cross. Come all about and put it down at the path. Stand up firm and bear your task. And your soul who lost, highly high. Trooper chat to the rocky water. Show us mercy.
I want him to know about Florida, gun state, gun legal round here. You know what? I go.
Watch this. Ooh. Tell them no fuck round the Jara sound. Party no sweet like no damn cologne. Them come in and we place come fire wild shot. Killamanjaro, murder sound and no care we no. Matic plug in 45 change gear we no. 9 ball through eye ball it fly through there we no. Them start sitting we can't go repair we no. Gunshot fi sound we can't hear we no. Jara, rifle them bust like nuclear we no. People
hey, someone claims them a bad man. And time war start for them gun down fire. You know what? I go.
At least some sound attack. Them not do it when Jara kill a road, them pussy they did a sleep. But them shut up the jeep with police. Killamanjaro. Some son about them just a push them out. Jara push him out. Select a boy with him push him out. Girl them just a suss him out. Mr. Madden book him out. Sniper rifle when I build it up ready.
Them dead.
them don't know themselves until them up they can see wall. fall sound boy.
A Killamanjaro play right now. What to be up to say?
Just start fall sound boy while you scrape you spill. No matter what you do, me say you're gonna get killed. Whether upon the flat, I tell you whether upon the hill. Hey, Killamanjaro, killer sound boy, tell them be still. Drum pan while you scrape you spill. What we don't have, every get a youth will.
You have some people over there smiling your face.
Sound boy still.
Behind your back, never feel blind, I cannot rob you. One thing we tell them.
Sound so chill. Sound boy, use them brain. Them get Killamanjaro, know them going down the drain. Sound boy, use them brain. Gunshot me use and I flush out them brain. Sound boy, use them brain. Them come a sound clash, I know the whole of them lame. Sound boy, lose them brain.
I big up to the man who knows say bust your own a gun right now, road boy.
Yeah, you're dead, you're dead. Right, just so. Cause you don't have them flow. So have you ever heard the sound of 444 at your door? You got guns, I got dumps. Lead me up the corner store. In this cool wild, wild west, a sound 150 loud with my thick 9 chest. When God bless, lay them to rest. When we under a chronic, yeah, we could draw a cess. Jaro sing. Gunshot in the ear for you know, see a sound for moving bumbo clad from bow, yeah. All a pint we a bust, for you know, see a sound for moving bumbo. Jaro, we a murderer, slaughterer. Look for we face with a serial killer, we a murderer, slaughterer. Anytime says him I go dead. So have you ever heard the sound of 444 at your door? You got dubs, I got dubs. Meet me at the corner store. In this cool wild, wild west, a sound 150 loud with my thing 9 chest. When God bless, lay them.
Yes, people, trust me, tonight is all about vibes. See, this is the early part of the dance. Just feel out the machine, make sure everything plug in and plug up right. And after this, a murder in here, trust me. Remember, so the early part of the dances, I play about 5 or 6 more songs and turn it over to the Africa. Here we go now.
Special play by Killamanjaro alone. Same. Little woman.
Minutes so far back from Japan, you know what?
Me have a girl and she a run down the world. Me have a girl and she a run down the world. She better go on and left me. Better go on and left me. Come in no one do compare love. Come in no one do super baggy. Come in no one do crabby. Come in no one do tempty daddy. I want a girl with dignity. I want a girl intelligent baggy. She got to be capacity. Capacity. Stand up on the corner and be pretty pose. And yet she have enough dirty clothes. A little youth, yes, she never run in nose.
Jaro, tell them problem Sean start play music. In a 91 from Jaro Killer, this is give him inspiration. In a Jaro school, him get him education. He watch over and Fred they kill sound one by one. Them kill LP, Bodyguard and Radigan. Mighty Crown, Fire Links and Tony Mataran. Kill BS and they say in a Trinidad land. Kill Scorpio, Downbeat and Saxon. Big up Sean, Freddy Mappy, the hot head gang. Clear the way when we start the murderation. Coulda Jamaican, Japanese or American. Coulda Europe, Australia or African. Aye, not touch it, do not touch it, Dana. You don't know Jaro, them are the Dana. Not touch it, do not touch it, Dana. Killamanjaro, hey yo. Take a good look, Killamanjaro, blood clot name in the bar book. Yeah, the right for them, the fucking SLR look. You violate, we put up on the fucking tar look. Some sound of fish out the road, them can't shut away. Freddy Cougar kill sound from him, yeah, you know. I will one out of them, cause we have one money. Pussy will violate, and I go kill that for free. Fish out the road, them can't shut away. Jaro kill sound from them, yeah, you know. I will one out of them, cause we have one money. Killamanjaro, come fit to them. I could have 1 Guinness, pussy a be by that. Cause I be a dinner, the sky, real pilot. Me and me wanna max so them can't give you a chat. Them sounded too ready and them need a chat. And another thing, me no want no school in my ears. Bumble, me no want no pool in my ears. And to the touch shirt that fit jewel in my ears. Boy violate, Jaro kill them. Hey yo.
Take a good look. Jar of blood clot name in the bar book. Yeah, the rifle them the fucking SLR look. You violate we put up on the fucking tar look. Some sound of fish out and road them can't shut away. My pedo kill sound from them yeah you know you know. I will one of them cover everyone money. Pussy wall violator we go kill that for free. Fish out and road them can't shut away. Problem can't kill sound from them yeah you know you know. I will one of them cover everyone money. Pussy wall violator we go kill that for free. Bono.
Yo, 2 songs, I'm gonna play my final tune. See? People, like I said, it's all about DJ Legend 25th anniversary dance. And we're gonna play music for please everybody tonight. Trust me. So let's test out this one right now. Make sure everything plug in and plug up right. Say that my final song. This here what going on.
Oh, Jaro. Some sound it have no bottom or no top.
Yo, Legend, make we test out the bass line now. How you go?
Some sound have no bottom, some sound have no top. I want you know Jaro. All of that Jaro in the middle of the dancer. Yeah.
Bass line.
Topping you. Oh, Jaro. Some sound it have no bottom or no top. Yeah.
Final song, how you go? Bass line.
Some sound have no bottom, some sound have no top. I want you know Jaro have all of that. Jaro in the middle of the dancer, yes, and topping you, sound boy. And I don't know. Oh, Jaro does so, yes.
All right, it sound good.
They my run, come one play like Killamanjaro. Don't deal, what I'm blender. Step forward, Rastafari.
And the Batman saw this.
They my run, come. Don't deal, what I'm blender. Step forward.
Legend said pull up.
Alright, see, yeah man.
Bar close at 2. Hey!
They my run, come.
How you go?
They my run, come one play like Killamanjaro. Do anything to be a fan club member. Every sound is now willing and able. One fist like Killamanjaro turntable. They my run, come one play like Killamanjaro. Do anything to be a fan club member. Every sound is now willing and able. One fist like Killamanjaro turntable. Back in those days they used to call me boo.
Me say one way me know fi play me son, and the bad man wear that. And the baddest sound is in the world. Me not take back me talk. You know why?
Jaro, you a murder. Some jump and in.
Check out the bass.
Some classic dancers.
Check out the bass.
Driving David jump and wine.
What you mean?
Getting snow and Freddy them care and no time. Jaro, you got dumplings that will last. And we are gonna murder sound in a clash. We are the champ.
I played the 45 earlier. See the dumplings, yeah? Tell them now.
Well, Killamanjaro, you've been through wheels and valleys.
Don't play.
Survive out of the old gangster alley.
Too, me not play the song yet. Bumbo club.
When them think we dead.
All right, bassline.
Them and lock them up. Idiot sound where we kill up. Oh, you get your friend.
Killamanjaro is the greatest sound in the world. Me not care what that boy wants to say. You know what?
You big, bad and heavy. Any sound is Freddy. Them a come every Jaro. You know you big, you bad and heavy. Send for the 9 and clean heavy. Jaro.
Goodbye number 1. Goodbye number 2.
Let me take you back into the 90s real quick. All the bad people in there, you know what? Why go? What do you sing?
What one TNT?
None of mercy. Killamanjaro, murder them, yo, so.
Two tune of Batman sound a play now.
Tell them.
Make them know.
Say sound a go dead. Tell Tell them no, give me no argument. Kill me, come fi kill, got Jaro, no take statement. Pussy all dead, with them only argument. Kill me, come fi kill, got out the long conference then. Batman from long time, who is experience. Murder pussy and walk, we no jump over. Hey, no, them dead, them mama ball Jaro. Them call loose argument, Peter, long story Paul. Boy, see me gonna pose up like a wall. In Medina, go lip out like a. You coulda big or small, coulda long or tall. This Killamanjaro, your bigot gonna fall. And no matter we cry, and your daddy people, we no take a stitch.
Watch ya, big gonna glisten like a looking glass. Pussy said the word and make the war start. Mr. Madden get woke, me ballers have to start. Kiss bye-bye to your life, your is a dead. Me ball, pussy like and down the drain. Big gun designed to make people feel pain. Oh yo, boy, you dead in ya know. I'm a banana belly, you start ball like a well. Boy, no test my skin, no test the real pals of pill. Boy, you test Jaro, you good lick and kill me.
Baloo, 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 baloo. Baloo, 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 baloo. Baloo, 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 baloo. Baloo, 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 baloo. Every kid trooper, tell them nothing can run, nothing can hide, nothing can escape. Trooper a earthquake, nothing can run, nothing can hide, nothing can escape. Oh, what a joy! Jaro sound just lick down a sound boy. None can destroy. You think I know them a take trooper fit toy? Oh, what a joy! Jaro sound just lick down a sound boy. None can destroy. Nobody take Emperor Selassie I fit toy. I come at my show them up for the big come and say the calamity where I come. Jah is there, and the fullness rough like Antijan none. I've got no money, never put money in abundance for the tyrant. Them the Jaro sound and still a walk pan Jajagram.
Level there. Them say the bar soon close, right? Forward to the bar, get yourself a drink. You see that tune I play right now? This is my favorite sizzler on Killamanjaro. If you don't know the issue of Killamanjaro, sizzlers Jaro artists, a Jaro shub sizzler to the world. Again, big up legend. Your art clean, 25 years in our business. That is an accomplishment. Big you up for that. A greatness that. All who know say legend art clean, they're a legend right now. You see that tune, yeah?
So much I say.
You see that tune, yeah?
Oh, now sound I go blind.
I go.
Well, on Jaro, love set me free, I'm gone.
I go.
Oh, Africa, I wanna be, come along. Yeah, and I will be the strength from your birth. Oh, and lovingly we strive on the hurt. Jaro offers, there's no pain in Jah love we are found.
Big song this.
There's no pain in Jaro we are found. Hey, hey.
Don't show your face, Mr. Cat, cause them can't stop you still last year, I know. Yeah, Lord of mercy. Come it's a special dedication to all farmer, whether you live a sentence or in a Nova. Cause this is Mr. Cat, the beer pop grinder. The style when me I go get them, I go run Jamaica. And in a London, I me say in America. And in a Canada, I me say in a China. It name the Vineyard style, it wicked and wild. The Vineyard style, it wicked and wild. The one purpose and with animal party. And the one purpose which is the human party.
This and corner, them get fear, them side.
All who know your praise Almighty God right now. You see that junior?
Praise Jah, Alien Emperor, Selassie I am King of Kings. To a fullness, have to express. Jaro them a sound boy, the juggling praise Jah, Alien Emperor, King of Kings. To a fullness, have to express. Jaja that I own. Hey, go tell them say no Malcolm X or Martin Luther this. A Jaro, come here so fifty color you sexualize it, but Molly rise and no kill my bro. Why you down kill them?
Two children, what you do? My round not done yet, what you do? Come back over there, so what you do? Move one side. Florida me there. Florida me there. Gunshine state this. Big up to the man who say bust your own a blood clot gun. You know borrow people gun.
Don't bother, you're talking it in vain. Tell a boy, don't bother, you're talking it in vain.
I go!
I miss everybody up.
Remember them say me kill so supreme, you know. I me kill so supreme.
I want some pussy kill them and smile them, don't know about badness.
After me right off the pussy them, I be a chat people a chat. But you want me stop on David, tell me, say, you know what?
Fucking lonely at the top of the hill. Jordan in 9 prime, would a shock of his skill. Charge 1 in 9 when the hey, Killamanjaro. Hey, Killamanjaro, kill them with style. I want some pussy kill them and smile them, don't know about badness. I talk them a talk it. Hey, King David. Hey, Killer Wayne.
Hey, Tutu, you know what?
Fucking lonely at the top of the hill. Jordan in 9 prime, would a shock of his skill. Charge 1 in 9 when they stack up the mill. Dance duck in 9 crime and it a bother me still. No me dope with them no rest because I shot and we kill. Roll out a something fresh and pack it back and me chill. No we drop and chase your dreams, them and a lot of we will. 2 pack in 9 prime, would a shock.
You know what?
Killamanjaro. Fuck the fame youth. Umbrella in the rose rise for the rain youth. Bad weather but we outside with pain youth. Couldn't follow with and if them take the same.
Hey, legend, now you're a dancer now. Just say the word, legend. Say the word. Say the word.
Jaro, ask if you kill some. That easy. That them a fool, not no clue to the bad man thing here that. 4th generation beat them like
legend, say the word.
Soft like cardboard. You know Jaro call me say sound for them. Jaro, ask if you kill some. That easy. That them a fool, not no clue to the flow. When me use them, me flow, give them flu and fly, yeah, me flew. Watch with them, yeah, when me fly, when me flew. On the island, me cool with a nice little pool, with a smile for so cute. Vibe at the pool, and she tight and she smooth. Like how she ride when she ride on the tool. Yeah, the pussy them a try, them a prove. Treat them like the kids when me drive go to school. 17 at the size of me shoes, it no lies if we shoot at the light of the room.
Two more song. People, tonight is all about DJ Legend 25th anniversary. Me there tonight for beat song. Me not go hold back. Notice me don't touch the anthem box set, you know. Me crack one out of the anthem box real quick.
Jaro, Garnet sound.
Final entry.
Sound. Yeah? Run things. Fast! I hear this.
Legend, 25 years in the building, yo. Big up yourself, you know what?
Don't let the things they say and do
weaken your heart and conquer you.
just make your sound a one of truth.
Jaro, I know Jah will see you through.
Cause they all wanna see you fall and stumble along the way, Jaro.
Jah is great, keep the faith. He'll guide you day by day.
Day by day. Get on up.
Jaja, a different kind of night, you know, a different kind of music, I saw the gringo.
You think you slick, nigga? You play a freak bad song them. I run to the side. Dance now done till 5 o'clock. You go play our next round, you know. All right. Cause none of my boom tune no play yet, you know. The nitty gritty gone from early. I'm gonna play the next one right now. All right. Yeah, my chat. All right. No, don't. Hold on. Come. Love. Come. Love. Say that one more time.
Killamanjaro will kill you.
Pussy. Wait now. Wait. You want to say something? What you want to say? All right.
So I come from England. I just got off the plane a few weeks ago. And my dad is 100 today. And it's only because of DJ Legend while I'm still out. So if I don't like you, forgive me. I'll beat him out clean.
No problem. All right. Two tune, relax yourself.
Don't be mad.
You get your money, pull up them, relax, man. Relax now. Big up DJ Legend, car. Big up DJ Legend, car. Tonight, I'm here to show respect to DJ Legend. I see the next set of tune me I play. Personally requested by DJ Legend. DJ Legend said, turn over the anthem truck. Right? So big up to all the people who rate Killamanjaro from them time till now. Africa, you can't follow me down them lane there. You know what going on?
Yeah, man. It's all about the jar. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. Seeing Ricky Chupa, the only Chupa. Killamanjaro, the only jar. And when only remain is the only jar around town. And then the pussy try test, you don't know. We're not afraid of the boy.
All right.
See? We're not afraid of the boy because Killamanjaro is the highest mountain. Deepest sea, you don't know. Yeah.
Only per sound in the world, you know. But Jara, the body sound.
Yeah.
Make them know.
Yeah. There are lots of sounds in life. Some that you may not like. You could be living this minute. The next minute you're gone away. Hold up your heads now, Jaro. Be conscious now, Jaro.
Africa bad son and no two from my bedroom. But remember this.
So never try to diss the sound with the younger.
Alright. Ricky Chupa and Luciano saying.
All your anthem them play already two tune, right?
Doesn't matter what you play now, some boy. As long as you're not playing right.
Remember that.
You will die tonight. So when you try to play Jaro sound and try to come take our crown.
Two tune on my bedroom, you know.
Get so down.
I'm a dog this.
What sense does it
wait on the forward, no man.
play the sound?
People, don't watch your face, you know. Two tune is my bedroom from Brooklyn, New York City. My friend is fun we are up tonight, you know. But all the chat, two tune. Africa bad sound. But not there in your life, you're bad like Jaro. That's if you know. Remember this pussy.
So when me look up, me say me bad. Murder tonight, me bad. Murder tonight, yeah. Murder tonight, me.
Alright. Ricky Chupa and Luciano saying.
Chupa the greatest.
Doesn't matter what you play now, some boy. As long as you're not playing.
Levels. People, this is the only person that bought Killamanjaro to Port Charlotte, Florida. You have to respect that man. You're seeing 25 years of the business. You're rating strong. Some pussy a chat. Tell them, say.
I can't find a reason. Papa Jaro, we so nice. I can't find a reason.
Be a slide legend.
I'm craving your body. I can't find a reason. Papa Jaro, we so nice. I can't find a reason.
I go.
Now I'm craving your body. If it's real, temperature's rising. I don't wanna feel I'm in the wrong place to be real.
I remember earlier when Two Tune was playing, right? Holy pot tough talk, mate. You might jump around. Holy pot tough talk, mate. Brother, I jar this, you know. This is not stone love. This is not none of them little jiggy renaissance of them sound now. I jar this, you know. You feel know this.
Daily breaks at work. We ain't gonna pen on.
Two Tune.
When no fucking pen come, daily breaks at.
Remember this.
Son boy, make me tell you this straight. Jaro, we kill you. Wrong go pull. Gunshot pick one use and damage. Your sound and abuse.
A legend, I hear dancer now. One thing me I tell you, legend.
If I'm killing on one, let me hear the call of Papa Jaro. Is it Freddy or killing on Jaro?
Hi go.
Kill them today and tomorrow. I say tribute to Jaro, the great sound killer, the greatest sound. We come out ever. Only sound wake up and back off it. With him soldier Freddy, raising the plate lightning and thunder. Don't play chopper boy, blood run like river. They don't know where the bird.
I'm too much tune there and time short. Me not save no song. Big tune I play now. Here walk one.
Oh yeah. Sanchez and the way he wander again. On the Killamanjaro, we don't beg no friend. It's a bombshell singing, come starting up. And it's all about getting Jaro Massive.
Big tune I play now, Two Tune.
Jaro Massive, are you ready? And let's do our steady. And you've got to do this.
Legend, take out the bass, legend. Take out the bass, legend.
You got to do it just
I go.
like the Jaro Massive. If you don't know, watch me. Just take girl, yeah. Rock your body line, shake your shoulders, everything is fine.
Big up to the people who read Killamanjaro from them time until now. Every jar for where they are. All you too tune. You read jar, say no what?
Oh no, turn it up when it's sorrow. Turn it up, let me feel the vibes. Turn it up in the big sound. Turn it up, let it take the ground. Sound boy, Jaro makes me feel so.
Hey, so the next song me I play right now. I swear to God for my life, no more body can play that tune here. If Afrik play this song, I pack up my song them and I walk all the way back to New York City. Me I play a next tune again. If Afrik play that song here this way, we walk back to New York City.
Rastafari. Now when I say Rasta, I cover every crevice in them. All kind of light up. Now Jaro the roughest thing since sound business. Saying, and we don't drink alcohol, so nobody feel like we're not getting it. Oh, whoa. And the suckers, here we go. Listen. Jaro, Arobadab, so Rastafari. Now when I say Rasta, I cover every crevice in them. All kind of light up. Now Jaro the roughest thing since sound business. Saying, and we don't drink alcohol, so nobody feel like we're not getting it. Oh, whoa, and the suckers, here we go. Listen, Jaro, Arobadab, soldier, marching onto war. Yeah. Jaro, Arobadab, soldier, marching onto war.
Yeah, man, right now, me a sports song. I just pick the tune and I know some back and I can play them. No real hard, I just pick tune and play them right now. Hey, two tune, like I said, I rate Afrik son, big up Narega, Flex the whole crew. Easy two tune, my brother that from Brooklyn saying, Afrik is a bad sound. But no day in your life, as long as Jaro is on this earth, Jaro is a problem for you. You can't be better than Jaro. You hear this now?
There is jobbing in your way every night and day. Every night and day. There is jobbing in your way. There is jobbing in your way every night and day.
What you mean, man? The one you need, baseline.
There is jobbing in your way every day. Papa Jaro mash you up, so what you have to say? You're a sound without credential. You're a sound.
ENT.
Who doesn't know?
Yeah, beat, big up yourself. Yeah, boys, big up. You get your tennis, all right? Everybody look for two tune and tell him from now. Tell him from now. Yeah, this.
Pack up your sound and go.
Rubber sound. King Sound Jaro. If a guy test and can't listen tomorrow, remember. Wanna hear that? Watch this. Watch.
Here you go.
Memories don't live like people do. They always stay with you. Whether the things are good or bad, Jaro will make you jump like you're mad. Wanna hear that? Watch this. Young kid do when to town to buy a little pony. Soak up with the rainy siracone macaroni. But I'm in a young kid don't young kid don't soak up with the rainy siracone macaroni. Watch, I know for me. No one know for me. If live around life, me say that I know for me. So come here, Miss Blossom, come here, Madarity. Follow me down to Grass Road with them have a reggae party. That is where you'll get the reggae music plenty. Even though them walk and talk about who no holy, but I tell you no,
man no dead, no call him duppy. Look for me, oh my God, I'm cracking.
Even if I'm out, we don't reach nowhere with them body. So what I'm gonna do, to buy a little pony. So coffee the reading, say broccoli, macaroni. But I'm a young kid,
You're gonna get up a next song, no got it. Remember this.
Everyone is gonna love this. You will never forget this. Jaro, giving you niceness, and I guarantee you happiness. Jaro, Jaro, tell me where have you been, Jaro? Long time them can me gonna tumbling farm. Claim say me blow down a sound like storm. And then them can me gonna
Wagwan ENT.